Hi there. High pressure and widespread blue skies up and down the country through the rest of Tuesday. One or two exceptions, as is always the case with the UK's weather. Northern Scotland, where we've had some low cloud to begin things and some patchy rain and drizzle. Any rain mostly confined to Shetland for the rest of the day. Otherwise, it's brightening up, it's drying up across much of northern Scotland and warming up as well, with temperatures reaching the low to mid-20s for parts of, say, Moray and Aberdeenshire. It's also going to be relatively warm towards the south and southeast, but here again we've got some cloud coming in on a brisk easterly breeze, particularly for Kent. We saw one or two showers earlier on. The showers will fade away into the afternoon, but still some patchy cloud around, and we'll see increasing amounts of cloud begin to arrive on that east to northeasterly wind through the evening and overnight. After the sun goes down, that cloud will creep into parts of the Midlands, East Anglia, as well as maybe East Wales. The cloud will be patchy. It will be quite low in places, one or two fog patches, and there'll be one or two fog patches forming under the clear skies elsewhere across Scotland, Northern England, Northern Ireland, as well as parts of Wales. But with clear skies for much of northern and western UK, temperatures will again fall away, 3 to 6 Celsius in sheltered spots. Conversely, over higher parts of northern UK, temperatures could remain in the mid-teens because of something called a temperature inversion, and it will be a milder night where we've got the cloud cover across the Midlands and eastern parts of England. Nevertheless, higher pressure remains in charge of our weather through the next few days, so it's staying settled, but that higher pressure is migrating a bit further north and northeast, and that's allowing this easterly airflow, which is responsible for bringing the areas of low cloud in as we begin Wednesday. Now, as the sun gets to work, that low cloud will tend to lift and break up, and by around lunchtime, for many places, it is brightening again with widely blue skies, but some cloud will persist along the North Sea coast. Meanwhile, northern Scotland, cloud-free with just some patchy mist around the coasts of some northeastern parts. Otherwise, it's simply sunny skies for the vast majority by mid-afternoon. And it's a warmer day as a result, 23 to 24 Celsius, most likely in the south, perhaps 25 degrees in one or two spots. And northern Scotland also seeing similar temperatures with the winds coming in around the south. So warm and sunny after a cloudy start for many, and then we see the cloud in the North Sea once again drift back westwards as the sun goes down. So that cloud reforming and becoming relatively extensive by the start of Thursday and quite low, so could be some issues with mist and fog first thing. But in the north and the far west, mostly it's going to be a bright start on Thursday, and Thursday's another largely dry day before showers return on Friday. Bye-bye.